Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping notification summaries from showing when locked on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. In Settings, tap Notifications. Scroll down Notification Settings and tap the toggle to the right of Show Summary when locked to turn it off. When the toggle is disabled, it will be grey, not green. Your watch will no longer show notification summaries when locked. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.